Welcome. Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet or wanting to earn some extra income from the comfort of your own home? You're not alone. Many of us are looking for ways to boost our income, but it can be overwhelming with all the complicated schemes and opportunities out there. That's why I'm excited to share with you a simple and accessible way to start earning money from home, and it's through affiliate marketing. If you start promoting our passive cash service system offers, as individuals join you earn instant $5 payouts on every sale on 3 levels. You start by sharing our training and videos showcasing our products and services. Once a member of our team, you get instant access to your unique referral link and a bonus T webpage exactly like this to you start sharing. As you begin sharing, and someone you invite into the system joins and make a purchase. For our training, you earn $5. It's a straightforward one-click setup process, and once fired up can be repeated and shared over and over and over again, and the income generating potential is endless because you can monetize the audience and team you're building to create even more instant passive and residual income through the bonus affiliate offers already built into the system. If earning instant $5 payments down 3 levels, along with bonus affiliate income streams already built into the system, is something that truly excites you, follow the instructions inside below and unlock your system today.